In front of me is the LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this little icon of a photo and the paperclip at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, click on Audio at the top. Then look for your file right away, access it in one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. You can do exactly the same with your videos. The only difference is you need to tap on Videos at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!